Hello, in this video, I am going to show you how you can create the custom templates. But before that, let's see why actually you need these custom templates. So usually when you start with Visual Studio, you select the programming language, then the platform which is Windows, and then the type of the application which is desktop. And then you start with either Windows form or class library. Then you search for the class library template. We usually use .NET framework template for class library. If it is a class library, DLL that we are creating. So you select this and then you get started. Then, of course, this is a default screen where where you mention the project name, and then this is what you get as a starting point. You get class 1.cs for C# programming, and then you go and add the references for NXOpen. Then you add some codes like some default codes for NXOpen, which is using NXOpen. Then you initiate the class, you initiate the main function, okay, all of that. So that's actually the prerequisite to get started with uh, writing your code. So with having the custom templates, you can avoid these preliminary steps in creating the starting working on your code. So let me show you how you can do this. So there are two ways here. First, I will show you how you can get the NXOpen custom templates ready-made to use. So it depends on your installation. So these NXOpen custom templates are available under the installation folder. Right now, I am using NX12, and based on which version of NX that you are using, your folder will vary. But let me show you the folder where you can access the NXOpen templates for Visual Studio for NX12. So I am under C program files. Then I need to find out this Siemens folder. Then under this Siemens folder, I will find a folder with my NX version, which is NX12. Then here you will find a folder called UG Open. Again, as I told, the folder where you will find this might be different based on the NX version that you have. And from here, you need to find out the folder called NXOpen examples. And under this folder, you will find VB, and here you will find templates. And under this, you will find these two zip files, NXOpen application.zip and NXOpen Windows Form application.zip. So what you need to do, you need to copy these two zip files and place it under the Visual Studio templates folder. So to do that, you first need to have the Visual Studio installed. And once you have installed the Visual Studio, then you can go to see users. Users is actually a hidden folder. Yes. Then you will go to the username, the login that you are using for your PC. Then here you will need to go to the other folder, which is documents. And under documents, you will find a folder called Visual Studio 2022. I find this folder because I am using Visual Studio 2022 version. You need to go inside this folder, and here you need to go to the templates. So go to templates, and here you need to go to project templates, and here you need to go to Visual Basic because we have copied the zip files from Visual Basic. These were the earlier ones. Ideally I should have removed that, and here you need to copy the zip files that you copied from the installation directory. Here you have to paste them. So once you paste them here, then if you go to your Visual Studio, and here you I will go to for a new project, and here if you go and search for NXOpen, you will find the two zip files that we copied: NXOpen application and NXOpen Windows Form application. You can pick up any one of these. Just the difference is this one is a Windows Form and this one is a NXOpen. So I will go and create the solution using that template. It will create a solution, and here you will have some benefits of using the custom template. Here you get two VB files. One is program.vb, myprogram.vb. Here you will get certain code lines already available. So the class is initiated, main function is initiated, then you can get started with the code here. So the session is also declared. NXOpen is also imported, and you also get another file which is unload.vb. Here the unloading of the library is done. So this is also the important part of your program. So that certain uh, code is already available into your program. Now you see this NXOpen, it has error, but if you expand the references, you will see that NXOpen, NXOpen.guide, NXOpen.uf, utilities, and NXOpen UI. So these DLLs are already referenced. The reason is that this is error here, and also in this the session has error. That is because these all library files are showing a warning. That is a specific case. I would say in my case, it is like this. I don't know the reason why it is, but I can simply delete this. You might not have this problem. Okay, so I have this problem. It is very specific to my system, my NX installation might be. So I can go and add these references again. Okay, and you will see that the error is went away. Okay, the error is went away. Now, if I want, I can go and add some kinds of code like dim document model, I would say. Then hold on, copy that. I can also include the work part, and then I can choose to save this. First of all, I need to save this as a project. Then now I am going to show you how you can save this as a template. Okay, so I need to go to project. Here you will find the option called export template. In this option, it launches the export template wizard. And here you will select a project template. A project template will allow a user to create a new project based on your exported project. Okay, so I will go and click next. Here I will name it as NXOpen uh, application Visual Basic, and I will here also write the description like NXOpen application custom template for VB language. If you want, you can even go and browse for the picture. I don't know if I do have a good picture to use here. Okay, I will use maybe this. And then automatically import template into Visual Studio. Tick this option. This is your output folder. This is the default folder where all the templates are stored for Visual Studio. I'll go and click on finish. Now I will go and close this. I'll go and close this entire solution. I will go and create a new project. Now I will search for same next open and I will find this VB. Okay, so this is the template that I just created. I can go next. I can go next in by entering the project name, and you could see that the same two files were appearing. Again, we don't have the issues or the warnings with the library of NXOpen, and it's there, the myprogram.vb, and also unload. Here we have this unload function. So this is how you get custom template created, and it really helps. You can get started easily with writing your code. Similarly, you can do it for the C# project. Okay, let me show you that as well quickly. Go to new project. Here I will go and find the class library .NET framework. And next, I will create this project and I will find out some code that I can use here. Okay, so this is the file that I am referring to. I have copied this code. I will paste this code inside my class1.cs file. I will go and keep these three lines as is, the session, work part and display part. I will remove everything else. Then I will go and add references. NXOpen UI, NXOpen Guide, NXOpen Utilities, NXOpen UF, all of them are added. Now my template is ready. Uh, I do have kept this unload option in the same CS file itself. I will go and save this project. Then I will go to project. I will go to export template. I will select project template option. Will go next. Here I will use as NXOpen. Name this template as NXOpen application class library DLL. Then I will also have a description NXOpen application for NXOpen application for B sharp, and I will also into bracket will mention DLL. I will also go and select the picture, and I will go and click on finish. I'm done with exporting this template. If you go to the same folder, under your user documents, Visual Studio, and then my exported templates. Here you will find all the templates that you have exported. And if you go to Visual Studio and create a new project using a new template, you just need to search with NXOpen and you will find the templates that you have created, and you can get started with them quickly, and you will have that the prerequisite already met. For example, uh, the class 1.cs file, which is like this, which has the few lines of code already available, and the DLLs are already referenced. So this is how you can quickly create the custom templates. You can go on and create the custom templates for custom type of applications. For example, you're working on assemblies, then you can create the custom template for assembly, which also covers some assembly related declarations along with the recursion function or a traverse function, which is usually used in case of assembly. You can do similar stuff in case of drawing. So that's very well possible, and you can do it this way. It's very simple to create the custom templates.